Write the fraction as a percent. So every percent needs a denominator of 100. So we need to multiply the denominator by a number that's going to give us a denominator of 100. 5 can be multiplied by 20 to get a denominator of 100. So we have to do the same thing to the numerator. That gives us a numerator of 40. 40 over 100 can be written as 40%. 2 and 9/10 can first be rewritten as an improper fraction. 10 times 2 is 20, plus 9 is 29. Keep the denominator the same. Now we want to multiply the denominator by 10 and also the numerator to get a denominator of 100. This gives us a numerator of 290. 290 out of 100 can be written as 290%.